Number 2 in the down part of our crossword. A small business is looking for rectangular warehouses. So we know it's a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length times width or base times height. It's taking forever for my ink to show up. Warehouse A has an area of 6,900 square feet. Warehouse B is half as wide and 1/3 as long. How many square feet is warehouse B? So they use length and width, and I said base and height, but it doesn't really matter. So for warehouse B, it's half as wide, and it's 1/3 as long. So really, when it comes down to it, the area of warehouse B, 1/2 times 1/3, the area of warehouse B is going to be 1/6 of the area of warehouse A. So I just took warehouse A and I just divided it by 6, because 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. This length times width, this is your area. So it's saying it is 1/6 of the area, 1/6 times the area. So 6,900 divided by 6 is 1,150 square feet. Number 3, I love number 3 because I feel like it's a real world problem. People use trucks and put the tailgate down all the time. They put the tailgate down to actually tailgate with lots of yummy food, or they put the tailgate down because they can't fit something in the back of the truck, some furniture, something that they're moving, and they need to extend the size, the length of the truck bed. So I really like this problem because I think it's a real world problem. But the thing about this problem is there's really no trick to it. This is not proportional change. This is non-proportional change. So in this problem, the truck bed was 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Now it says that we are going to extend the length of the truck bed an extra 2 feet. So now it's not 5 by 8, it's 5 by 10. What is the longest piece of lumber that will fit in our new rectangle that has different dimensions that's not proportional? So there's no trick to it. There's no A to B, A squared to B squared. You're not using those proportional tricks. You just write down the new dimensions, and what do? You just do Pythagorean theorem, people. This is a rectangle. You just do Pythagorean theorem. In a rectangle, if you're trying to find the diagonal and you know the sides, you do Pythagorean theorem. We don't need an exact answer. It's a real world problem, so you can round it to whatever you want. 11.2 would work. Since they rounded this to 1 decimal place, we can round ours to 1 decimal place. What I think is a more interesting question would have been, okay, I extended the truck, I put the tailgate down. How much longer can my piece of lumber be now? That's what I think would be a more interesting question. What happens to the diagonal when I give it 2 more feet in length? So 11.2 minus 9.4, I gained 1.8 feet. That's how much longer my piece of furniture can be, or my lumber can be, or whatever I'm trying to do.